All right, let's talk about the 2024 BMW Alpina B8 retail ordering guide. I'm going to walk you guys through the new ordering guide that we have for the 2024 production model year, including price changes from the 2023, any other changes that I noticed. Before I get into the content, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. My name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW, and I give you guys all the newest BMW information, like this brand new ordering guide. All right, let's get into the video.
Okay, so this is the first page of the ordering guide for the Alpina B8. Now, really, the only thing that matters here is the start of production for March of 2023. Now, moving on to the next page of the retail ordering guide, the Alpina B8 received a base MSRP increase of $7,600, so it's now at $170,500. Nice thing is with that base MSRP, you can get any paint option you want. They're all no-charge option, including anything from the individual catalog. Now, as far as the upholstery goes, it looks like all of the options have stayed the same from last year, but the full merino leather did increase by $1,000 to now $5,500. The dark optics package stayed the same, and it looks like universal garage door opener is still $300, and the carbon fiber roof is still $1,500. Same thing as last year. Now, moving into the standalone options, it looks like everything stayed the same here. The only thing that I noticed is the glass controls for $850 was actually removed and is now a standard feature. So while the price of the vehicle did go up $7,600, $850 of that could be considered the glass controls. And then we'll start to go through the standard options of the vehicle. As you can see, Alpina B8 pretty much fully loaded with every single option that you can get standard, besides the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround System, which is a standalone option. Now, if you'd like to review all the standard features, feel free to just pause the video so you can take time to go through them all. And on the last page of the ordering guide, you have two wheel options. There's the 21-inch Alpina Classic wheels with the Performance non-run flats, or if you want to go with the all-season tires, you can get them wrapped in on the 20-inch wheels, which is a no-charge option.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, please smash the like button, help me out with YouTube's algorithm. Consider subscribing for future BMW content. If you're in the Toronto marketplace, feel free to reach out to me on my email down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.